Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on place value of digits. Very early on in the Grade 3 series of videos, we saw a basic introduction to the concept of place value. Here we extend that concept a little further and look at the column of selected digits and then find their place value. For each of the following numbers, find the column and the place value of the red digit. Example 1, 67. Here's the red digit, which is the 7. So the column is the units or the ones column. So the first column is always called the units column or the ones column. We've already seen that. So it doesn't matter whether you call it the units column or the ones column, very acceptable. Since it's the units column or the ones column, the place value is 7 times 1, which is 7. So that's the column and that's the place value. Number 2, 56. The column is the tens column, units, tens. The place value is 5 times 10 because it's the 10 column, and the place value is 50. 643, units, tens, hundreds. So it's the hundreds column. The place value is 6 times 100, which is 600. 6,542, units, tens, hundreds. So the column is the hundreds column. The place value is 5 times 100, which is 500. 9,681. The column is units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it's the thousands column. So the place value is 9 times 1,000, which is 9,000. Number 6, 508. The red digit here is in the tens column, units, tens. So the place value is 0 times 10, which is 0. Number 7, 7,450. The column is the units column, of course it's the first column. The place value is 0 times 1, which is 0. 7,402, units, tens, hundreds. So the column is the hundreds column. The place value is 4 times 100, which is 400. 3,641, the column is the thousands column because it's units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the place value is 3 times 1,000, which is 3,000. Number 10, 518. The column is the tens column, units, tens. The place value is 1 times 10, which is 10. Number 11, 8,000. Units, tens, hundreds. So it's the hundreds column. And the place value is 0 times 100, which is 0. So this video has just shown how to find the column and the place value of selected digits.